polling in Jammu and Kashmir has marked a sea change in the political process in the region. In the Kashmir Valley, the areas that once used to boycott the elections with hardly 2 to 3% of voting have recorded a relative high percentage of voting, shifting the ground reality in the region. Here's a report.
The Soibag area in Budgam is embracing change in a big way. Once a hotbed of separatism, this birthplace of Sayyid Salahuddin, the Pakistan-based chief of the Hizbul Mujahideen terror outfit, is showing its ballot now over the politics of boycott. National Conference leader Omar Abdullah is one of the 22 candidates from Budgam district.
Seta shukur guzar az yemi election kyaz variyah dut hayit ös kitken yaşu tu donkasmız pasavan lider banit taklir masjidanımız kerit jamianımız ictimaımız taklir kerit sinik savan başı varan kerit az berik forum.
We came out from our homes to cast our vote, to select our candidate who can assemble, who can talk for ourselves in the assembly, and he will give some benefit for us. That is our main issue, and he can resolve our issues, which are mainly here, such as unemployment, water crisis.
We are right now in Soibug area of Budgam district, which used to be a major area where the poll boycott would happen. This is the same area where his chief Sayyid Salahuddin belongs to, and that's one of the reasons we've seen poll boycott from the last 3 decades taking place. But today we're seeing good number of people coming out and casting their vote in areas which used to earlier see a lot of poll boycott.
Downtown Srinagar areas that were known as the epicenter of stone pelting incidents and boycott calls every Friday have long lines of people at the polling booths, underlining the groundbreaking shift.
Downtown में बेरोजगारी ज़्यादा है, पावर का मसला, रोड खराब है, पड़े हुए हैं, चावल राशन का मसला है, ये मसले मसलों के ढेर है इधर, इसलिए लोग आज खुशी से झूम रहे हैं, इलेक्शन हो रहा है, चुनेंगे अपने नुमाइंदे को।
इसी मुद्दे को देखकर करते हैं कि अब हमारा अपना मिनिस्टर बने, हमारा अपना एमएलए बने, वही जो 1905 में यहाँ हो गया, 370 छीन लिया गया, उसी की वजह से अब वोट ज़्यादा डाल रहे हैं।
लोग पीजी पीएचडी करके घर में बैठे हुए हैं, जो कि काज बनता जा रहा है ड्रग अब्यूज की तरह। लड़के जो है इतना पढ़ लिख के घर में बैठे हुए हैं, उनको डिप्रेशन हो रहा है।
इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल भी बहुत ज़्यादा आती है, यहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी भी नहीं रहती है, और राशन वगैरह वो भी बहुत कम दिया जाता है। यहाँ पे हमारी जितनी रिक्वायरमेंट होती है उससे बहुत ज़्यादा कम दिया जाता है, तो हम चाहते हैं कि हमारे सारे मसले हल हो जाए।
We are right now in Srinagar's Nauhata area, which is always known for stone pelting as well as boycott. But what we see on the ground today is that hundreds of people have come out of their houses and have come to cast their vote. This is not only in Srinagar's downtown, but areas in Budgam, areas in Ganderbal, which have been witnessing complete boycott in the last 3 decades. People have shown interest in the polls this year, and they're coming in huge numbers, although security remains one of the major concerns for the security agencies.
A high-level delegation of senior diplomats from multiple countries is witnessing the electoral process underway in Jammu and Kashmir, in Budgam and Srinagar in the valley.
We're interested in India's process of ensuring that peace and stability are the norm here in Jammu and Kashmir. And if all goes well, I understand that statehood is possible.
We were invited by the Ministry of External Affairs as part of their outreach program, and so we are a group of diplomats who have joined this.
Some of the prominent faces in the second phase of the Jammu and Kashmir Assembly polls are Apni Party Chief Altaf Bukhari, Congress State President Tariq Hamid Karra, Agha Saeed Muntazir Mehdi of PDP, and Ravindra Raina, the State President of the BJP.
especially with regard to the foreign delegation's visit. Security was beefed up across all the polling booths where they will be visiting. This is the first time that foreign delegates have been brought in to note and to basically monitor the polling that is going on for the second phase of Jammu and Kashmir's assembly election. With video journalist Feroz, Idris Lone for WION World is One.
For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.